Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you guys how you can actually improve your game sense in Valorant. Well, improving your game sense in Valorant is highly like is highly based on how much you play. So if you play like a lot of games, you will increase your sense of like the game sense. But there is actual other things to use in order to like incredibly increase the game sense. One of these things or method which is going to custom game, practice and shooting range. This one will help you a lot to increase your one taps and your headshots, and of course you will train your aim. So using that with going for example with a like a phantom or a vandal or even for example a guardian. So let's pick a guardian for example, or even if you want to go even more far you can just use a sheriff and start playing with it. So here let's find the headshot, hit the headshot and then go back, hit the headshot and then go back, and try to keep it that way, like keep playing it that way. Or if you're like in jet, you can try using his ultimate as a gun and try to get headshots, so like so, and keep playing. So here we go. Just like that you can train your aim and become much better at hitting headshots. Well, that's the first thing of getting your game sense. The second that I highly recommend, which is through here. If I went here, so let's go here, and if I went to here, we'll find this is the spike diffuse. I highly recommend that you play all of these maps because they highly improve your game sense, so you don't know where the bots are actually are, so you have to like keep checking corners and etc. So I'm here checking corner, basically the bot can be here or there or anything, so keep playing these mods. And of course there is the spike planting. Well, the third thing that I highly recommend, which is after we leave this game, I highly recommend to play deathmatch without any voices. Yeah, literally, guys, without any voice. So go here, settings, and just mute the audio. And literally, that's what will make you like check every little corner that the game exists in the game. You can just check it. You will just keep checking it because you don't know where the enemy is coming from, and you'll keep checking every corner. And just like so, you will be like checking every corner, even inside the game when you play normally. So yeah, guys, these are the tips for you to improve your game sense. I hope you learned something from me, and thank you guys for watching.